Welcome to JTTC. Here, our mandate is to bring you closer to industry. Come with me and I will show you how it is done. To my left, I have a water treatment plant. To my right, I have a three-phase separation plant. On the water treatment plant, learners are taught how to work with pumps, compressors, how to work with levels, how to work with flow, how to make samples, or how to check quality. And on the three-phase separation plant, as the name suggests, we have three phases. We have gas, we have water, and then we have oil. Of course, these plants you see don't work on their own. They don't monitor on their own. So we have a control room that monitors these plants. As previously said, we have a control room that monitors activities of the plant. So this is the monitor for the three-phase separation plant, and that is the monitor for the water treatment plant. As you can see some diagrams on them. They are called process and instrumentation diagram, or piping and instrumentation diagram, as we choose to call it. These are live systems that when you touch them, certain things happen on plant. Again, we learn how to comport ourselves in control room. The character, the attitude a learner must have in a control room.
So this is mechanical section of JTTC. This section happens to be the maintenance section for the production unit. What we do over here is to maintain all the components found on the process plant. That is compressors, pumps, valves, transmission system, and any other stuff that may help in the oil and gas industry, as well as production has been concerned. Trainers and then learners are being grouped into two sections, whereby we do a classroom work and then that of a workshop activity. The workshop activity is 80% of all the learning activities, as well as the classroom work is 20%. Our trainees are given the chance to also go into the industry for attachment when we go on holidays. Then from there, they write a report to the unit, and then we process them based on their portfolio, and then we send them for accreditation and then certification.
Welcome to the Electrical Engineering section of the Jubilee Technical Training Center. To enroll on the Electrical Engineering Training Program, you don't need any higher qualification. You have to have the zeal to learn a skill. So we start with the domestic electrical engineering works, and then we usher our trainees into the industrial engineering works. Key among the things we do at this section include electrical health and safety, electrical installation techniques with fault diagnosis, and under this we wire one-way, two-way, and then intermediate circuits, and we also wire ring main and radial circuit. Then we do control panel building, and the control panel building we do direct online with remote modification, and we do forward and reverse and star delta starter. Then we also perform activities under inspection, testing of electrical installation works, and then fabrication of cable tray, trunking and conduit for both metallic and PVC.
Welcome to the Instrumentation and Control Department of the JTTC. Over here, we try as much as possible to control the plant with the various programming and then automation setups. We also control the process measurements, the PLC programming. We also do what we call the level measurement, flow measurement, pressure measurement, and then what we call the temperature measurement system. So basically everything that is about the plant, we are the main heart of the plant. We make sure the plant moves. For that matter, we use this section to train trainees for the oil and gas industry, and then for all other industries internationally and locally.
Welcome to the health and safety section in JTTC. Our aim is to bring the industry closer to the learner by providing the learner with the required health and safety training, so as to ensure that the learner acquires his or her training in a healthy and safe manner. We provide an induction training for learners so that learners would feel comfortable as they start with their intended training sessions. So to have a healthy and safe training environment, come to JTTC for more.